Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Nur Badriansyah with study ID number 2024-3293. In this video, I will explain a web scraping program with Pagination. This program automatically collects from the GitHub repository data from 10 packages and then save it into a single CSV file. The first line, we import the library, the request library. It is the function to send a request to the internet via Python, just like open a URL in a browser, but done automatically by the program. And then the second is the imported pandas as a PD. And the second, we import the pandas library. The function is to process data into table and save it to CSV file. Next, we set up the variable with the base URL, store the address of the GitHub API, that is our data source, and then we show the header. The header tells the GitHub server that we are requesting data in a JSON format. And the result is the empty list, which is we hold all the scraped data from the older. And then the page name is set to 1, meaning we start the reading from the first package. Scraping process with the while loop. The first is while loop package name lower than 10, and this is the core of the part of the program. This while will continue running as long as package name is below or equal to 10, because we are targeting of a 10 page. And we show the print with package name, the line print the package number currently being read, so we can monitor the scraping process. And the show URL based on URL. The program constructor complete the URL with several parameters. The search keyword is Python. The number of entry per page is 20, the current package number, and the sorting by most star. And we show the response request get URL. Once the URL is ready, this line send a get request to GitHub and store the result in the response variable. And we go to protect one, and the protect one, the program check whatever the server status code. It is 2000. There is a problem with the server, so the loop is immediately terminated with a break. And this we show the item respond with the JSON and get the item. And the line is convert the server response into Python directory format, and then the retrieves the item section, which is the contain the repository list. And we go to protect 2, then there's the program checks whatever the retrieved data is empty. If it's empty, the loop stop and the program doesn't continue running in vain. And so the repo name, in the loop there is each of the data are retrieved from the each repository. First name is the full name of repository, and the second language is the missing happen head is it, and the 3 star of the number of star. And we result show the append is the package data of package in the directory and add to the result list using append. And finally show the num the increase then 1 by moving to the next package. The process continue until the 10 page is complete. After we scraping a 10 package, we print the total what we get to scraping the 10 of the package with the result is the 10 package, and then we print after that the process to save the CSV, and we go to the process with the import as the CSV. First we show the DF as a PD data frame and the result to convert into a pandas data frame so it can be processed and restored. And the second additional row is the create contain the overall total, which is the summaries the number of the repository collect is the same as the what was done. And the show the PD content the combines the main data table with the total row into a final table. And we point to CSV as the name the GitHub repos CSV. The index is a false, a parameter prevent automatic raw numbers being saved, and the UTF is 8. Ensure the file can be read properly when they open in Excel. And after that we print what we have done with the file as the import to CSV. This program successful scraped 10 packages automatically, collected 2000 repository data, and save it a single CSV file complete with the total row. And that's all for me. Thanks.